A 2-kilometer road connecting the cities of Parañaque and Taguig will reduce travel time from 1.5 hours to just 15 minutes. This is the Manila-Cavite Toll Expressway C5 South Link segment. President Marcos led the opening of the new thoroughfare. He says this will decongest and reduce traffic on small roads. The president also announced that this segment of the expressway would be toll-free for the whole month of April.
At napakalaking bagay yan dahil sa malaking savings sa oras ng mga commuter, unang-una. Pangalawa, kagaya ng ating mga laging iniisip ngayon dahil nga sa kaguluhan sa Middle East, ay napakalaking savings ito sa gasolina, sa crudo, sa fuel. At hindi maliit na bagay ang babawasan mo, ang biyahe mo mula sa 1 oras kalahati hanggang 15 minutes. Malaking savings yan.